Hello everyone, and welcome back to Unboxing Geek. So in today's video, we actually have a little bit different kind of unboxing, and this one is the Spider-Man Homecoming Limited Edition gift box from Walmart. I actually just picked this up today, and this was $35, which, considering what you're getting in here, is not a bad price. You're getting an exclusive Pop figure that you can only find in here. A collection of comic book covers, Spider-Man Homecoming on Blu-ray and DVD, socks, 2 pairs of socks, and an enamel pin, which, if you would take everything at price value, would be more than a $35 retail price. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get in here and open it up. And it does come in this really cool box. It just slides out, like so. To that side. And inside, like I said, we do get 2 pairs of socks. And these are youth medium large, which would not fit me. So, we can get in here. At least one until they won't. And here's pair number 1. And pair number 2. Okay. And you also get, like I said, you do also get a collection of comic book covers. Now, so, really cool there. You also get a pen, which is really, really cool. Let me take this out of here so you can see a little better. There you go. And you also have, like I said, the Blu-ray and the DVD. Alright. And then the back is really cool because it's, inverted a little bit. And the main reason for buying this is for the exclusive Pop figure, which is Spider-Man, for some reason, holding a chemistry book hanging upside down from a lamp. So, open her up. Maybe. And there he is. And the one really cool thing about this is he's still wobble, and he's upside down, which is something you don't ever really see. Like I said, he's hanging from what I believe is a lamppost. It might not actually be, I don't know. Could be a bit like I honestly don't know. There's that. Now, as far as the box condition goes, there is a little bit of a give here, but other than that, being inside of this cardboard, not in bad condition. And there are some of the other ones you can get. There's the side, the front, and the other side. And so, with that, that will be it for today's video. So I will see you guys next time. And as always, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to hit that notification bell to be notified of any future videos. As well as hit that like button, if you so choose, and leave a comment down below. Anyways, I will see you guys next time. Live long and prosper.